Hey gang, it's me Carol with Refunction Crafts, and I'm going to bring to you another quick video today. I got this little, it's actually a little plastic box at my favorite thrift store the other day, yesterday, and I just loved it so much. It's just plastic. This is not metal or glass or anything. It's just a plastic box, but it's so cool that I had to have it, and I figured I could do something really great with this and make it a really, really cool piece. So it's going to be a quick project though, because there's not a lot I'm going to do to this. It's just going to get a quick alteration and go into my Etsy shop, and I will be done with it. So anyway, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be using some of this lace that I got from Kiki's sale. And I'm going to use some of this embroidered trim that I got from Kiki's sale. And then this is just a little piece of something that I got sent to me at some point. I don't know if it came from Kiki's or somewhere else, I'm not sure. But I've had it for a long time, and I want to use it in this piece because I found a spot where it looks really great. And then I have this little embellishment that my neighbor is moving, and so she had a little yard sale yesterday, and so I popped over to her house just to kind of wish her well and everything and have a look at her yard sale stuff. And I found a few embellishments that I thought, oh, I could use those. Not realizing that she had been around all these years and she's a crafter. She loves doing embellishments, and I never even knew it. I've been here 23 years. She's been here about 45 years. And never knew that she was a crafter, and she didn't know I was. So that's a shame that we missed out on all those years of maybe hanging out and doing some crafting together. But anyway, this was an embellishment that I found in her pile of goodies. I got this pretty purple rose that I really, really like. And then this was an embellishment she had made. She had made it to be a brooch. And I thought, you know what, I can definitely use that on something. And then this pretty one here, which is just 3 rolled roses out of some like chiffon or silk fabric. And I thought that was really pretty. And that's also a brooch. So, but this is the one I'm going to use on this box today because I tested it out and I thought it just looked really pretty. So that's what we're going to do. And I'm going to take some of this lace here and let's see, I just need to figure out how I can center this on here and make it look good. And I think I'm going to have to cut into 2 sections of this, and that kind of bums me out, but that's the best way I can do it to make it look right. It's got to be even. So let's see, we've got one of those over here. So I'm going to take and put this lace just kind of in this bottom section here, just like that. I don't want to cover up all of the clear parts of this box because that's what kind of drew me to it. So I want to make sure, let's see, I also have to make sure I don't cover up the clip where it hooks together. So let me make sure I do this right. I'm just going to put some glue on the back of this, just like that, and make sure I get it under that clip, just like that. There. So that's what that looks like, just kind of on the front. I'm wondering if I should just go around the whole thing with that lace. Didn't even think about that, you guys. I could have just kept wrapping it around and didn't bother to think about that. But that's okay, I can still do it. I think I have enough. Just gonna test it. I've got exactly enough on this piece. So we're just gonna go around and start gluing this around the box. And we're almost done with this. Easy peasy. Again, I gotta tell you guys, get out to your thrift stores and look for these great, unique little boxes and things. I know this is just a little plastic box, but I'm telling you, when I'm done with it, it'll look like a little masterpiece. And without having to do a ton to it. I paid $1.50 for this little box. So for me, even if I messed it up completely in the altering process, it was worth the $1.50 to give it a shot. So I mean, and there are times where, yeah, I have messed up a couple of projects because I just didn't do it right. Okay, so I'm going to put this embellishment right on the top of the box here. So I'm just going to take, actually, I'm going to take off, how am I going to do this? I need to take off this pin because that's just going to make it too lumpy and bumpy. It's just sewn on there with a little bit of thread, so I should be able to get it off without, hopefully without cutting anything else apart. There we go. No problem. And I have a pin that I can use for something else. Okay, so I'm just going to take and put a decent amount of my hot glue on there and pop that down right on top. I'm going to hold it down a little bit so that it sticks. And I love the laces and stuff she used in this. She's got a real eye for detail. She actually made these embellishments herself. And so the good thing about it is we got to talking, and she took my phone number and address and everything, and said she would, as she was going through things, she would send me some of her embellishments. So I'm super excited. So I'm going to get some of that kind of stuff from her. So yeah, I'm really excited about that. And I was thinking I was going to use some of this lace, but I am not sure that it actually really goes with the piece. Maybe a couple of pieces kind of popping out, but I'm not going to use a ton of this. This one I'm going to kind of go over a little farther with the green. And so that does look pretty, just kind of popping out of there in a couple of spots. If I can just get it in there the right way, we'll be good to go. Okay. And then I'm going to put a little piece of this on the other side too. think I want it coming out the front. Yeah, I think I'm going to put this piece just kind of popping right out in the front. I need some glue. My gun's out. And I'm just going to put a small amount on there and pop it right up under the flowers. Okay, that looks pretty. Maybe one more piece going across the back a little bit. I think I'm going to do this in little pieces. And we're going to do one right here in the front, just this little bitty one right there. Oh, and that looks really, really nice. So that's what it looks like so far. And then I'm going to use this little silver piece in the front right above the where the latch is. Yep. And on that I'm going to use some E6000. I'm actually leaving the little buttons that pop out on this sticking on there because usually I would take those off. But I'm not going to do that on this one because it has to go up and around that latch area. So I think it would be better to just leave it there. And right in the middle. And it just matches with this piece so well. Just going to press it down for a minute, hold it, hold it, hold it. And that's what that looks like. Doesn't that look pretty? And then I'm trying to decide if maybe I want to put a couple of my little pearls on there in a couple spots. I think I am going to do that. That's kind of my little signature thing. Just a couple. Put this one over on this side. And I'm just going to pop that in there and press it down. And then one on this side. Back here. And then maybe one small piece towards the front because I don't have anything in the front there. I'm just going to take a little small piece right in this little hole. And then maybe even a big pearl on top of that. One of these big pearls that I have here. And I think that is going to finish this box off nicely. Yes, it is. Whoopsie. Maybe I should put one big pearl in the back over this one too. There. Voila, it's done. Look at how cute this box is, and it just opens really easily. I think that is super duper cute, and I think you guys will agree. This was a really fun project, really quick. I got this done in 15 minutes, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you'll stick around for more. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, I would so greatly appreciate it if you'd hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so that you'll get notified when I do future videos. Tell your friends and family about my channel. Maybe they'll be interested in watching some new crafting videos. I do a lot of Dollar Tree DIY hacks and things like that that are kind of fun and fabulous. And let everybody know, share my video if you can, or if you're willing to, on your Facebook pages, and that way I can get more people to see my channel. I'm trying very, very hard to increase my membership or my subscriber base, and been working really, really hard at that. Thank you to all of you who have been shopping in my Etsy shop. You're helping me tremendously. I can't say enough thank yous to all of you for all of the support and good vibes and kind words that you've all given me, and it's just been an amazing ride and an amazing journey doing this YouTube channel thing, and I'm really having fun with it, and I hope you guys are too. God's blessings to all of you. Be safe, take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye. Stay tuned for pictures.